Hi! In front of me is POCO C50 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features available on this POCO. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Now tap on Additional Settings. Select Languages and Input, Manage Keywords, and Revert. Finally, tap on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are over here. If you want to manage them, just click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!